Hey, quiz champions! Welcome back to Quiz Alien! Get those ears ready because today's challenge is super fun! Guess the logo by the sound! I've got 45 famous logo sounds waiting for you, and you'll only have 8 seconds to guess each one! Think you can get a perfect score? It's time to prove your skills! Before we jump in, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who leaves comments and shares their results. We love reading your messages, so make sure to leave one after the quiz for a chance to get a special shout out. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Quiz Alien, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another awesome challenge. All right, everyone, ears on, volume up. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's warm things up with an easy one. Can you guess this logo? That's right, TikTok! That sound is everywhere. Which logo is this? It's Super Mario! Bonus points if you've played this game! Here's another super famous one! What do you think it is? McDonald's! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba! You nailed it! Time for a quick challenge. Can you find the McDonald's logo before the timer runs out? Awesome spotting! You found it! Listen carefully. Which logo is it? Correct! That's Apple TV! You've probably heard this sound before. You got it! Prime Video! Great listening! That's Pepsi! Easy points! You can't miss this sound! Waka waka waka! It's Pac-Man! Pac-Man is on the move! Count carefully. How many cherries does he eat? Pac-Man ate 7 cherries. Did you get it right? Focus. Here's your next logo sound. That's the famous Netflix intro. Calling all movie fans, do you recognize this famous sound? You sure do! It's illumination! What's your guess this time? Absolutely! PlayStation! Look closely at all the emojis and remember where they are. Now tell me, where's the game console hiding? Amazing memory! The correct answer was position number 6. Back to the sounds. What's this one?
Make everybody say, oh,
oh! Exactly! Roblox! That one was a free point. This sound pops up on millions of phones every day. It's Instagram! You recognized it in no time. '20th Century Fox! Which logo did you hear this time? Only one answer. It's Intel. Do you know this sound?
Discovery 14 flavors. Yes to fresh. Discovery 14.
That's Mentos, Fresh Maker.
Discovery 14 flavors. Yes to fresh. Discovery 14.
You only have 10 seconds to find the odd one out. It's this one right here. The color is different, right? Back to our sound challenge. Listen up. Yup, that's Universal. Which logo matches this sound? That's FaceTime. Nice job. Stay focused and keep listening.
Whopper, Whopper, Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame.
You know it! Burger King!
Whopper, Whopper, Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame.
Listen carefully. Which logo just played? Cartoon Network. Can you spot the three differences between these two pictures? One, two, three! You got them all! Let's keep the streak going with another sound. Absolutely right! That's Disney Plus! One more logo. What do you think?
Smiles back goldfish. Select that smiles back gold.
Goldfish is the right answer.
Smiles back goldfish. Select that smiles back gold.
I bet you've heard this one hundreds of times. That's the sound of Among Us! Among Us is running on one of these devices. Can you tell which one? That's it! It's device B! Here comes sound number 29. Paramount Pictures! Can you identify this logo? HBO! I knew you'd get that one! What's the next logo? Bingo! It's Discovery Plus! Gamers, this one's calling your name! Nintendo! You heard it right away! If you had to choose only one, would you rather play on Nintendo or Xbox? There's no wrong answer. It's all about your favorite. Share your choice below and see what other gamers picked. Round 34 is here. Any guesses?
Mind-bopping new look. Mind-bopping new...
It's Pringles! Great ears!
Mind-bopping new look. Mind-bopping new...
This next one might make you think a little harder. Amazon! You caught that one fast! Movie lovers should know this famous intro. That can only be Pixar! Can you guess the cartoon just by its intro? Inside Out 2! Such an amazing movie! I love it! Guess this famous logo sound. That's definitely Ferrari. This one sounds super familiar. Metro Goldwyn Mayer. And this one?
Good and nice. Good and nice.
That logo is Dr. Pepper.
Good and nice. Good and nice.
Do you know this sound? Mr. Bean! I love this cartoon! Spot the 4 differences. You have 10 seconds to find them all. Ready? Go! Boom! You found all 4. Well done! Here's your next logo sound. Listen up. That sound belongs to Skype. What about this sound? It's Warner Brothers. We've made it to the final round. Guess this logo. Leave your answer in the comments. I can't wait to see your guesses. That's a wrap for today's challenge. If you had fun playing along, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Quiz Alien adventures. Another exciting quiz is waiting on your screen now, so tap it and keep the fun going. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.